This is a silly double eyeball hat. It's also a lot of fun. We've got two 260s. I've got a yellow inflated with just a tiny bit left on the end. I've got a blue that's got about an inch left, and I've got two 5-inch rounds that I've inflated to nearly full size, about 4.5 inches. And I've taken the liberty of pre-drawing some eyes on them. We're going to start with our yellow, and you want to measure your head for whoever your child is or person. And then we're going to leave this back part sticking up for the moment and come back to it in a minute. Now we're going to switch to our blue. What you want to do with it, starting on the nozzle end, twist off a little piece, and then just twist that into the front of the helmet here, or front of the hat, and then come up about 5 inches there. Let's make it a little more. Let's go about 6 inches. There we go. Now you got what you have left over. You're going to bring around. I'm going to make a little 1/2 inch bubble, make a pinch twist, and then bring the nozzle in, or the nipple in, and twist it into that pinch twist. Now the loop that we've just formed, we're going to take on the midway point of it. The eyeballs rolling all over my table. Excuse me. And we're going to twist that into 2 equal bubbles there, just like that. So you've got a really interesting looking hat as it sits. Now we're going to take this back piece and twist off about a 1.5 inch bubble and twist that into that pinch twist as well. Take and wrap one of these loops around to lock it into place. So now we have basically a modified helmet with a piece added to the front and a little figure 8 bow tie, whatever there. And again, you could stop there and have a really crazy hat. But we're going to take our 2 eyeballs, and it doesn't matter which side you start, grab one and twist the knot into that pinch twist there in the middle. Grab the other, do the same thing on the opposite side. Once you get those secured, now you're going to come around to the front. And you see I drew the eyeball on the side of each of those that I can take and now kind of squeeze those a little bit so they nestle up into those 2 loops we just made. And that part of yellow that we pulled up through there makes a bit of a nose. It's not wanting to fit quite right. There we go. And you get a nice little double eyeball face. Almost a mean sort of face.